It's not hard. It's not hard at all. It's pretty easy being cheesy. Got a tent behind me, got a tent where I live. We get so wound up in the day-to-day. Car insurance, car registration, just to get in the car. Driver's license, driver's test. Get to the first red light, you're so bound up, you're so tied up in your life that you can't even wave at the person in the next car over. Because we're economically challenged. We're economically doomed to have to work so many hours. This is incredible. What an incredible life. The makers and masters have us under their thumb, and we can share a brief glimpse of Holy Spirit with each other.